more time you got? This.
What's the producer?
Y'all see in the camera, we got special guests, man. We going crazy with these public challenges, public reactions, public pranks, everything. So today, we going up to people and see if they gonna eat some dry biscuits, some dry Bojangle biscuits. We going up to them, we gonna give them 45 seconds to eat one. It was if you eat 3 in 1 minute and 30 seconds, you get $10. But we made it a little easier, you feel me? Who we got right now?
My name D, you already know what's going on.
Alright, yeah.
I tried to eat the biscuit. That shit harder than you think it is. I'm gonna tell you that off gate. So don't try it unless you fat and hungry. You know what I'm saying?
Alright,
but y'all, shout out to my boy. What's the name of your channel?
K the Finesse.
K the Finesse. Y'all go subscribe to him.
Subscribe.
Exactly.
Where we at right now?
We at the G. You already know, hometown.
With further ado, who we got? Oh shit. So you think you can eat them, man?
Man, I don't know, but I'm certainly gonna try. That's what we finna do.
Alright, bet. We got the biscuits right here. You gotta eat 3 in 40 seconds.
Alright.
You get a smooth 10.
You get 5.
Yeah, you gotta swallow. Nothing can be in your mouth though.
Okay.
Nothing
So
can
2
be
I get 5, 3 I get 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get it started.
Let's get it.
Oh shit. I'm tripping. Alright. I'm ready for it.
Get it.
Ready. Set. Start. Getting them thing.
That's hard.
It's job. Yeah,
It's
bro.
job.
Yeah. Bump him up. Eat that, bro. It ain't nothing, bro. It ain't nothing. You can tap out. We gotta give him a longer time. We gotta give him a minute. Hey.
Probably be a minute, bro.
Hey, man, for trying. Alright, man. I was gonna get $3. Nah, I'm just playing. Hey, so look. Y'all, he tried. He did good. You feel me? What's your name?
Okay, good.
Alright, true. Alright, y'all. Next contestant. The biscuits dry. They deadly. They lethal. Oh shit! Oh shit! We just got him, bro. Okay,
I'm saying. I mean, I'm a hungry hippo.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Can you do it? Wait, all of them? No, just eat one in 45 seconds. $5 is yours.
2 in a minute and 30.
Fam, wait. You gotta swallow.
You gotta swallow that bitch. That bitch gotta be gone, bro.
Hey,
No water. Drink some.
Oh yeah. Shit. Lips moist first, bro. You feel me? You gotta get something. Hold on, quick. Alright, you down. Alright, so you know the rules, right? You gotta have all of it in your mouth, all that good stuff, everything like that. You feel me? You got it, bro. Y'all confident?
Any biscuit.
Yeah.
Go ahead, get that scrunchie.
Come on.
Alright. Damn, I don't even want to pick through. I want the smallest one.
Yeah, get that smaller. Yeah, good strategy. You can go next, bro.
You should have did this shit. Whenever I'm ready. 3, 2, 1,
go. Oh, a big fight. Starting off strong. Starting off strong. Oh, come on. You got it, bro. How much more time you got? This is an easy one. You my slobber. You gotta get it. Get it. The biscuit start charging. You got 20 seconds. You got it, bro.
I can't even motherfucking swallow.
much seconds you got?
35.
35. You got seconds. No, that shit. We gotta do 30 seconds.
This shit like true
Hey man, you that nigga, man. Hell yeah, bro. So you think you can eat 3 biscuits under 1 minute and 30 seconds?
Oh damn, it's 3. I thought it was 2.
Good. 2, you get 5. Yeah.
Damn.
You eat 3, you get 10.
Facts.
They looking deadly.
Them bitches still look dead.
Might chunk on this.
You said under what? 40 seconds?
Yeah, what the timer? What the timer? What the timer?
Because a dude can't do it. It's hard. Hey, I got it. A minute.
I'm gonna grab it too.
Yeah, I already have them prepared.
Damn, these bitches thick as hell. They was tripping with these.
Yeah.
They're probably sleeping. Your money. 6 seconds. Go.
Whoa. Can you do it, bro? They dry?
You ain't going nowhere. You gonna choke.
Can't do it.
Papa ain't going nowhere.
You can't do it. You should have drunk some water first. You'll get cotton mouth. Hey, what's up? Y'all trying to do a challenge? Yeah, you can win money. Easy money. Alright, bet.
You got a minute left. Come on.
He said they about to make me eat a Popeye's biscuit. How much longer he got, man?
He got.
Did he eat 2?
You got enough. You got enough time. You can swallow that shit right now. You got enough time to eat one more. 40 seconds.
Mother's killing themselves. We should have had water on standby. Oh, I'm sliding on this girl after this. I see her in my eyesight right now.
Did he? He said he gonna tap out.
You tapped out.
In a minute.
One biscuit. 45 seconds. He has some people paying. He has some people cash.
I was close to $5. I was real close, bruh.
One biscuit.
Yeah,
One biscuit.
45 seconds.
How big is that damn biscuit? You can pick any one you want.
Small little biscuit, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna fill you up
A
in that.
biscuit is hard to eat in 45 seconds.
Yeah.
But 50 seconds. We'll give you 50.
50. That's good right there. That's good. Who got the
Before
timer?
you do it, say, shout out Cater Finesse. Cater Finesse? Yeah, that's the YouTube channel. Okay, shout out Cater Finesse.
Hold on. Let me start the timer. We out here getting these biscuits.
Get set. Go.
Okay.
He said it's dry already.
Okay.
Oh, watch out. Get out the
Nah, I like the way he doing it though.
Yeah, you doing it like you got a strategy. You came in here with a strategy. I like that. You got it, man. Hell yeah. I barely swallowed.
You know what I'm saying?
That's towards the end. Yeah, he got 20 more seconds. Could you tap out?
Nah, he got it.
You got it. Got your phone? Yeah, you got some. We'll boost it to a minute 15. Go ahead. Yeah, minute 15. Minute 15. You going crazy?
He got this shit.
You got 30 seconds left. My boy started choking, bro. We gonna have to hit the Heimlich maneuver out here. Anybody know the Heimlich maneuver? No.
Hit a nigga in the gut real hard.
10 seconds.
The rest of your mouth. That shit hard. You know what I'm saying?
It's over, bro. It's over.
The aftermath of the biscuit, he had most of the biscuit done, you know what I'm saying?
I did believe in you, bro. You was close. You the closest person out here to done it, bro. $5. Alright, man. Stay safe, man. Stay blessed up.
So far, the biscuits are undefeated.
Wait,
the biscuits undefeated. Hey, Kobe, what you got to say, man?
Hey, man, what I got to say, man, this was a banger, bro. This was something slight. If you want to see a part 2 of this, hit me up, and we gonna get it done. Comment.
You might have to change the time, though.
Yeah, I'm gonna change time. Might do CJ and just look at CJ.
He did. No.
What you got to say, bitch?
The dude really gonna talk to that girl over there?
Don't fucking disrespect.
Thank God I got my own now. Feel that I'm not wrong now. Tryna find my soul now. I can go to shows now. Got me a new pole now. Got me a new hoe now. About to cut that rose now. Living on my own now. Turned up, I won't turn